Okay, so just got everything rubbed down properly. So what I'm going to do now is just use some alcohol. If you didn't know, alcohol can use as to clean the surface. If you didn't know that, so now you know something new. If you didn't know, can use to clean the surface. So what we're going to do is just wipe down all the areas, get off the fingerprint and stuff like that, and get it prepared to spray. I use that and rub it down. So all fingerprint. Okay, so this is where we're at. Just got everything taped out, basically. I am going to try to avoid these. I have some black spray for this, so I don't know. I might just tape it just in case anything go on it. Finish tape these a little bit, but basically everything is prepared. I'm going to spray and see what I can avoid spraying and see how it looks from there. Just going to get one base coat, not going to go too heavy, and then we get another coat. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so just got everything prime sprayed, looking good so far. Thin spray do a good job, but you have to prepare the surface and you have to use Rust-Oleum spray. It's very hard to get. It's not the normal spray that you just buy in paint shop, Rust-Oleum. So looking good so far. So what I'm going to do now is just wait until it's dry for like a 15 minutes, and then I'm going to use the primer. Just going to use a normal primer on it. It's a normal thin spray primer. Just going to use this on it. The clear, not primer, clear. Just going to use some clear on it and go through, give it about 2 coats and see how it is. But it's looking good so far. Better than I have expected. Really looking good. And there is primer in, there is clear in the paint, but to give it a better finish, I still buy a next clear to just go over it again. So let's see how that works. But basically, as I tell you from day one, I'm about doing things myself. See how it works, try things. If it doesn't work, we find a different way. But that's how I am. I like to try things. So I did some research on the thin spray. There's a lot of people use it right here on YouTube. So I decided I'm going to give it a try. So it works pretty well. So about 10 minutes I'm going to come back and then just prime it. Just spray it with the clear and then see how it looks from there. Alright? So that's one coat, waiting on it to dry.